Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for budget tracking. So let's get started. If you're looking for a flexible yet structured way to manage your budget, stick around because we will break down its feature, pros and cons, and even share a few alternatives that might work better for you. So what is monday.com? Monday.com is a flexible work operating system that lets you build customizable boards for almost any type of project, including budget tracking. You can track expenses, timeline, assign team members, and even set alerts here. So if you want to do it, you have to create a new board. You can tap on to get started. From there you can continue with your Google, or also you can enter your company name. Now after signing up, you can customize your columns, like add fields like expense category, also amount, due date, assign team member, or status or priority. So you have to answer these options like questions: what brings you here, like personal. Okay, then continue. You have to answer all the question it is prompting to you. Then after answering all the question, will be logged into it. So monday.com offers a range of views like table view, Gantt charts, Kanban boards, timelines, etc. You can connect monday.com with Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, also some accounting tools. Monday.com lets you set automations like alerts for overspending and many other things. You have to enter your email here, then tap onto it, admin or member, then and you can add another email, or if you want extra, then tap on to add another, and you can continuously add emails. So that's it. This is how you can log into monday.com. But for deep financial reporting like advanced forecasting or tax reports, monday.com might not offer the depth you need. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.